today we are going to be opening up a KiwiCo crate with my daughter,
Jasmine.
So let's see what's inside.
Disc launchers. That sounds fun.
Disc launchers. Whoa. Woo!
We should have done that.
And also, it tells you everything right here what's going to be inside this box. You don't have to purchase anything. It's all right in here for you to put your project together.
I don't even know what. Ooh, what's this?
Ooh, this looks like a...
Fabric kind of.
Well, it looks like a Target.
Pretty heavy. It doesn't.
Some like cylinder-looking thing.
Yeah, it doesn't look heavy, but at first as you pick it up for me, it was kind of like heavy for 1 second.
Yeah, it was
It's
just
kinda
kind of
different.
heavy. Wonder what that is. So it,
And I have these. It's goodness tube.
they're tubes.
Yeah, with these orange circle things.
They call them a foam donut.
Oh, then I'll put it in a foam donut. Actually, there's 2 of them.
So we have 2 of the foam donuts.
Yeah, and a bunch of rubber bands. I don't know if
Ooh.
we'll need all of those.
Let's see what it says.
Yeah, so
Instructions are important.
So it says slide the foam donut into the end of the tube, then peel the backing off of the foam.
So it shows us you're gonna put it on both of them. So one on each.
One on each.
Yep.
It doesn't show that.
Weird. This is one and this is one. You're right.
Silly. My mom is super silly. Okay, so I will try to. Do you think that's enough? I think that's enough.
Yeah, I think that's good. That's what it looks like in the picture.
Yeah.
So now it says sticky side down, which you did.
Yeah, I need to take this off so it can actually be sticky though.
Okay, so take the tape or sticker off of it.
Yeah, it's kind of hard because I already put on my tube, so. You have to really.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
What do you
Wait a
mean?
minute. Look, there's just one.
No, that's 2.
That's
One,
one.
two.
That's one.
No.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
No, it's the inside.
No.
Jasmine!
It's wrong. I'm telling you. You don't see? You use
Look!
those.
Look at the picture with these kids.
Let me see.
See?
Something all right.
Yeah! I can actually be right!
But why does it trick us right here?
It's not tricking you, it's just a 3D picture. It's throwing you off. Grab your wooden piece.
Okay, my wooden piece here is in the thing.
You're welcome.
That was super hard. Nobody could figure it out. Finally, I got it. So you slide this right here into, wait. Okay, so you slide this into there. Seems like it's pretty good. Remove the tube. Wait, to make it really, like, good on the sides. That's probably why.
Oh, yeah, perfect.
A real good thing. Need the
Oh, okay. There
I
you
need
go.
another one.
And there you go.
Thank you. I put it in like this.
Yeah,
way.
there you go. It fits like a puzzle.
Yeah, you kind of have to figure out which way to put it.
Show
in.
them so they know how to do it too.
It looks like this, and then I thought it is this way instead. It's this way so it can fit better. Yeah. So you put it in like there. Now I just need the other one. I'll do exactly the same thing for the other one. I don't know if it's actually supposed to be straight because it's not letting me put it straight. I think
good.
I think it'll be okay. I put it on the wrong way. I put it on the wrong. Yeah. Actually, guys, sorry. I was actually supposed to put it in with this thing backwards, so I can have it like this. I want these things sticking out, not these. So you actually put it in backwards, where the orange thing shows with the things up.
Oh, very good. Yeah.
So they're called connectors.
You have a key up here to tell us what each item is called.
I need the rubber band. So you see this? This is super rubber. So you put the rubber band around the connectors on the side that shows things up, like that. You put on like that. So guys, I have to keep going up because you turn it over, that's what's showing. You peel and then stick. Yeah, these are wood rectangles because they're wood and they're shaped like rectangles. So it's supposed to look like this right here. Oh, there's two sides to peel. You peel this white part. You flip it. Wait! It's going to stick. Oh, it's because it's supposed to stick to this. I get it. That you put it sideways, I think, like this. It's called pin. So I will put it here. How is it supposed to stay? You slide it up. Okay. Slide it in there. Oh, rubber. Okay, hold on. There. That's what it's supposed to look like with that. Yeah. You can pull that out, but actually, just so you can pull it up, but you're supposed to put a rubber band. See these corners right here? I don't know if you can see them. You're supposed to put the rubber band on each side of those corners. Yeah, you do the same thing that you did for the last one with these. That orange and the back there's tape, so you peel it from the corner. That's how I sometimes do it. And then you put it on the top here, the top right here. Just like stick it up there like that. You just put it up there like that. I need this. I need to use this again.
The tube.
That tube. Yeah, I need to use the tube. I put it back where it was, like this, as you can see. You can like do this, but you can't have one on the side like. You can't want to have this side right here, because that's like. That's what it actually shows it from. Wiggle to get the distance flat. You gotta make it flat. And then it just shows this. I don't.
Oh, that was cool. It spits it out.
That is awesome, guys. That is awesome.